Today we're in Dunedin and the ship is docked at this port here, which is a container dock. So we actually have to catch a shuttle bus, which takes about half an hour to get us into the town centre. That's a good one. Yeah. Thank you. Dunedin is a Scottish-based town, and my grandmother came from Scotland. She was a McIntyre, so I'm going to have a quick look to see if I can find the McIntyre tartan. Now we're waiting for a number 8 bus, which is right there, and hopefully it'll take us to where we want to go. Hello, hey guys, we'd like to go to Baldwin Street.
Yeah.
Is that the right bus?
Right bus? Yeah, you're on the right bus.
2 adults?
$6.80.
Is there a return? Or, oh sorry, press that button.
Again,
Just do it again? Oh yeah, that's good. So we caught a bus to Baldwin Street, which claims to be the world's steepest residential street, and we're going to walk up it. Will you not walk up the hill?
I'm not walking up it, she's not walking up it.
You don't have to. I'm walking up it. Doesn't look too bad. Was it steep?
Yes.
um,
That one was too hard. You just started.
there you go. Yeah. So just stand upright. Stand upright. Just legs together. Legs together. Now take it like this. Okay. What are you doing? Why are you leaning that way, Lauren? Oh, it's supposed to be that way. Trudging up the hill.
No other way to do it. You just slide back down. No.
We're more than halfway. We're more than halfway.
Oh, this isn't easy on me, let go.
Just
Lean
keep,
forward.
we just keep telling ourselves that we're almost there.
I need both.
Serious?
No, I'm coming.
We made it. Well done. High five.
I worked off breakfast.
Baldwin Street is the world's steepest street. It is 350 metres long and has a maximum slope of about 1 in 2.86. Pretty darn steep.
Ian Clark roller skated up Baldwin Street.
Out.
So Ian Clark, you're a legend
That goes against
back in '88, but Harry Willis takes the cake.
on wheels going up.
He can pogo stick up a street that steep.
Roller skate.
No, the design of the street. We say it.
Hang on, he roller skated up.
That makes no sense.
Not
That
roller
defies
skated.
Gravity.
This guy didn't roller skate down, he roller skated up. How is that even possible?
I know.
Selfie at the top of Baldwin Street, the world's steepest street.
Now it looks steep.
Alrighty, now we're going to run down.
No, we aren't.
Oh,
Where's,
You-
the,
you
where's
go.
the cheese wheel?
Go, I'll film it.
Oh, lean back.
Okay, do it again. Okay. Looks like you're just parallel with the ground then. Alrighty. This is like going down a black ski run.
Yeah.
My quads are burning so bad.
We'll actually walk through you guys. Walking up, I found, like, it wasn't the endurance of it. It's a big up.
Keep going.
Okay, stop.
Got him? We go this way. Tick that off the bucket list. We've done it.
Done that. Hobbiton, tick that off his bucket list. It's on hers.
Tick. Doesn't feel good?
No.
No.
Oh, that's better actually.
Yeah, oh, sideways.
Yeah, heaps better. We'll take it down in courage.
You're just changing what muscles you're using.
Yeah.
And that's it, because this bit isn't steep at all. Where'd they go? Go get a Coke? Baldwin Street, hang on. Initially, Baldwin Street slopes gently from the valley floor, then climbs steadily to its intersection with Buchanan Street at the top.
Steadily, is that what they call it?
Over the 161.2 metre length of the top section, it climbs a vertical height of 47.22 metres, which is an average gradient of 1 in 3.41. On its steepest section, the gradient is 1 in 2.86. Look at that church. It's a very Scottish church. I press it. Alrighty. Yeah, the floors are now we're going on a scenic train ride. I preferred the old train, but instead we're going on this modern one.
What number are we?
18A and B.
Саш, посмотри, одну фотографию хочу.
Oh,
Oh, where are you? Oh, you're there. Oh, okay. So we're kind of all close to each other.
the bus came from here and went to there, or there, or thereabouts. So we got on here, we go there, and we go all the way around to here, and then we come back.
Like, yeah,
But we
she's-
got off, and we got off halfway
she's a
back.
strange
So we're doing
child.
3/4 of the trip.
Doesn't like-
Well, we'll get one, please. We got $4.30. So at the turnaround point, we're supposed to swap sides, which we've done. So that way everybody gets a turn of looking out the window and seeing the view.
Just a little bit of information about the Silver rail car we're travelling on today. This is RM24. It was built in Japan in 1972, powered by a 900 horsepower V12 Caterpillar diesel. Ran on the main line between Auckland and Wellington, daylight service for around 19 years, and then also the Auckland to Tauranga as the Kaimai Express, and Auckland to Rotorua as the Kaiserland Express.
Ah, but you gotta be quick.
Yeah, well, quick. I got it.
Gotta be quick. Got just a little gap in the trees. Here we go. Opportunity to see the boat.
Oh, that's amazing.
There it is.
Beautiful church.
Yeah, I want to see that.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Thank you. So we've got off the train halfway back so that we can now walk down to the ship. And have a look inside. Please come in. We're just strolling along, having a look at all the shops down this street before we get back on the ship. This is our last port for the cruise, so we want to make the most of it. And this is the last souvenir shop before Sydney. And in this shop I found myself a little friend. Oh. You like cuddles? You like cuddles, don't you? Yeah? You like cuddles? So right now we're cruising just off the coast of New Zealand, and we're heading down around, and we're going to go around the bottom of New Zealand, and we're going to come back up the other side to the Sounds tomorrow morning. So we're going to go up and do some of the activities upstairs, but we'll probably get an early night because we're going to get to Dusky Sound at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning.